So sitting in a comfortable position with your feet flat on the floor. Just being aware of the chair underneath you. Just seeing if you can allow your weight to sink into the chair. And for this practice, we're going to be looking at an object. Could be an object in the room, something that you can see out of a window, or an object that you've got in your hand. And starting off by just paying attention to the colours or the shades, maybe the way that the light is reflecting on the object, maybe noticing the outline of the object, the shape that it makes. And if the object's in your hand, maybe turning the object over, seeing if it looks different from the back or the front. And remembering that there's no way to do this wrong. Your experience is what it is in any given moment, and that's okay. And as you look at your object, you might notice that your eyes become out of focus. Maybe you notice things around the object rather than the object itself, and that's normal. And when you notice that this has happened, just choosing to return your gaze back to the object that you'd chosen to focus on. Perhaps noticing if you can see any different textures on the object. And then maybe seeing if you can expand your field of vision to take in the area around the object. So what do you notice there? And then returning your attention back to the object that you chose to look at. Noticing again its shape, colour, the texture. And as we start to bring this practice to a close, maybe broadening out to be aware of yourself sitting in the chair. Perhaps being aware of the feeling of your feet on the floor as you look at the object. And then just bringing this to a close when you're ready.